In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Salesforce into your HubSpot account, a vital step that enhances your business's efficiency by synchronizing your sales and marketing efforts. Whether you're new to this process or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through each stage with ease. To get started, the first thing you need to do is navigate to the HubSpot User Guide, which is an excellent resource and the perfect starting point for managing integrations. Once you're on the HubSpot interface, locate and click on the Marketplace section. Think of the Marketplace as the command center where you can explore a variety of apps that can be integrated into HubSpot to enhance its capabilities. This section is a valuable tool for discovering apps that can complement your existing workflow. After entering the Marketplace, your next step is to click on Apps. This is your path to finding specific applications that can be integrated into your workspace. You'll see an array of options, but don't get overwhelmed. We're focusing specifically on finding Salesforce. The Apps section is user-friendly, making it straightforward to navigate and explore the different applications available. Now, in the available search bar, type in Highlight to narrow down your choices and speed up the process of finding Salesforce. Using keywords is a quick and efficient way to sift through the vast options in the marketplace, ensuring that you land on the right app without any hassle. Once you have highlighted your search results, look for Salesforce and click on it. It's crucial to ensure you select the correct app, as integration compatibility is essential for a smooth operation. After clicking on Salesforce, you'll be taken to a dedicated page that provides more information about the app, its features, and benefits. Make sure you take a moment to read through this to understand the capabilities and advantages it brings to your HubSpot environment. Finally, to complete the integration process, click on the Install App button. This step initiates the installation of Salesforce into your HubSpot account. Installation may take a few moments, so be sure to follow any prompts or instructions that appear during this process. Once the installation is complete, you'll have successfully integrated Salesforce with your HubSpot account, unlocking new potential for synergy between your sales and marketing teams. By following these steps, you've successfully bridged the gap between Salesforce and HubSpot, ensuring your teams are better equipped to work together seamlessly. This integration is invaluable in streamlining workflows, enhancing data sharing, and ultimately empowering your business strategy. Thank you for following along with this guide, and enjoy the newfound capabilities of your integrated sales and marketing platforms.